Hello, Namaste. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Ayur Yoga Mudra Therapy. Now, today I am going to tell you one simple remedy. This is a simple small video and contain one simple remedy to stop snoring. As we all know, snoring that will cause problem in sleeping. Not only the person who is snoring, it will badly affect the person who is sleeping beside him. This is a most problem for the couples or those who are staying in hostel or shared rooms. The partner will affect it more effectively, like he can't sleep with the sound of snoring. So this is a serious problem. So this is actually not the problem of that person. He is not intentionally doing this snoring. So here I am telling one simple Ayurvedic remedy to solve the snoring issue. So first of all, you need to take this in night before sleeping. So this will uh, remove the respiratory. This will resolve the respiratory problems and other problems in the uh, respiratory system, etc. So, uh, so one of the other thing is if you are overweight, first you need to reduce your weight also. Most basically, those people who are having more weight or fat in body, then they are also experience snoring. So if you are overweight, then you need to do daily exercise. This is one of the thing I need to tell you before using this Ayurvedic remedy. So now I will start to tell you about the remedy. This is we need two items for this process. This is not that much costly. The first thing we need is the pure uh, olive oil. So this must be mostly pure virgin olive oil. We need to take. You need to take any branded item. You can trust any branded item. So you can take the pure virgin oil. So in market there is mixed oil is available. Don't use it. You need to use pure virgin oil of olive oil. You need to take this tablespoon, only 1 tablespoon. And the next thing is we need is honey. So must be more careful when you are purchasing honey, because in market so many wrong products or duplicates are available. Most of the products they are selling jaggery water as honey. So you must be more careful in using honey. And another thing is, if you are purchasing honey, then purchase it from any Ayurvedic shop, because if in industrial process the honey is taking from artificially from the sugar, they are feeding this honeybee with the sugar, and if you are consuming this honey, then you will get diabetics. So you must be more careful in purchasing the honey. So take one amount of olive oil and take 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, mix it very well. Then before bed, take this and drink it. So this is the best solution. So you can add 1 tablespoon of olive oil with 1 tablespoon of honey, mix it very well. Then you can drink this. So before bed, you need to do this, and it will completely cure your snoring problem. You will not snore at night. You will get a good sleep, and you will not disturb other persons. Your snoring will be cured by this process. This is a simple remedy. You can try this at your home. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please like. If you have any comments, please comment it and share my video. Subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. I wish everybody have a good, fruitful life. Thank you.